Ever wonder why some of the most amazing people stay single, even though society often pushes for romantic relationships? It's not because they can't find someone, but because they choose to stay single. Their reasons are as unique as they are. Let's dive into the 10 surprising reasons why great people choose singlehood, sometimes for life. Number 1. High standards. People who stay single often have high standards when it comes to relationships. They know what they want in a partner and won't settle for anything less. It's not about being picky. It's about knowing that a good relationship should add to their life, not make it more complicated. Number 2. Independence. They love their freedom and the ability to make decisions without having to consider anyone else's opinion. For them, independence means living life on their own terms. It's not about being selfish. It's about growing and becoming the best version of themselves. A relationship? Well, it might just get in the way of that. Number 3. Bad views on relationships. Some have seen too many unhealthy relationships, breakups, or divorces, which makes them cautious. They've witnessed the drama, the heartbreak, and the emotional roller coasters, and they'd rather avoid it. Stability and peace are their priorities, and singlehood gives them just that. Number 4. Different lifestyles. Their lifestyle might not fit the typical relationship mold. Whether it's a passion for travel, a minimalist lifestyle, or unique personal beliefs, a relationship might feel restrictive to them. Staying single allows them to fully live the way they want without compromise. Number 5. Career comes first. High achievers often focus on their careers and dreams. Whether they're building a business or climbing the corporate ladder, their work is their passion. They worry that a relationship might distract them or force them to sacrifice their goals, and that's a risk they're not willing to take. Number 6. Financial freedom. They enjoy managing their own money and making decisions without worrying about a partner's needs. Being financially independent lets them focus on their own future and goals, which means they don't feel the need for a partner's financial support. Number 7. Strong friendships. For some, friendships and family relationships provide all the love and support they need. They don't feel the need for romantic relationships when their friendships are already fulfilling. Plus, they enjoy deep connections that don't always have to involve romance. Number 8. Unusual life goals. Some people have big, unconventional goals that don't fit into traditional relationships. Maybe they're chasing a dream or following a unique career path. Staying single gives them the freedom to pursue their goals without distraction. Number 9. Past heartbreak. Past experiences with heartbreak or rejection can make people hesitant to get back into relationships. They've been hurt before, and they're not eager to go through it again. Staying single feels like the safer option to protect themselves from future pain. Number 10. They enjoy being alone. Some people simply love their own company. Solitude gives them time to recharge, reflect, and do what they enjoy. For them, being alone isn't lonely. It's empowering. Sharing their space with someone else? That doesn't sound too appealing. At the end of the day, staying single is a personal choice. Whether it's for independence, career focus, or just enjoying life solo, these individuals find fulfillment and happiness in ways that work best for them. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we post something new. Thanks for watching.